Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.